Welcome back to another weekly update on the Robinhood portfolio. So overall, we've got some gains of $62 and 4.52% growth, which is good. 1436 is the new balance, almost up to 1500, so that feels pretty good. For anybody that's new here, these are the stocks that we are buying. Most of these guys are paying monthly dividend stocks, so that is something unique about these companies. So yeah, let's take a look at the 1 month chart here and the 3 month. So we're slowly heading back to basically the break-even point for the account. So that is good to see. Now let's hop over to Simply Safe here and talk about what we bought. So before we talk about that, actually, I just got a message from Simply Safe saying that EPR has suspended their dividend, so that's why there isn't even a safety score now. Their dividend has been cut, so I only have one share, not a big deal. That's kind of why I held off on them. So yeah, we won't sell the stock quite yet, but something to maybe think about. Same with APLE. Neither of these guys are paying dividends right now. So with that being said, this week I bought one share of Realty Income, still at the price point I like. And then we bought, I think, 3 shares of Prospect Capital there, trying to get that average cost down, and 1 share of the SPHD S&P 500 index fund there. So they don't have a score, but that's because it's an index fund. They do pay monthly dividends, so that is why that is not there. So overall here, our income hasn't really changed since last update video. It says $11 a month down here. EPR was taken out, obviously, because they are not paying. So yeah, that's okay though. It's only been 1 week. I think the annual actually did go up a little bit, but that's what we got. So for the week, pretty good. Not much to report overall. I do not have any dividends since the last video, so there's nothing to talk about there. So now we'll talk about future. Alright, so hopping over to the watch list here. I've added quite a few companies. We're up to 14 now. So yeah, let's just take a look. I got Nvidia, Costco, Walmart, Microsoft, Apple, Disney, Comcast, Home Depot, 3M, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Pfizer, AT&T, and Verizon. So what I'm going to be doing now that I have over 10 companies is use Simply Safe to do my stock analysis on each, and then I'll organize them by safety score probably at the top, and then other information that I like to look at, which if you're curious, I did upload a stock analysis video, so go ahead and check that out if you want those details. But we're going to be pretty much deciding on our 10 companies, and then once I hit the margin period or the margin requirement, I might actually pull the trigger on that just to get the ball rolling on these and to get the portfolio growing a little bit quicker. So still not 100% on that, but that is the plan. And before I end the video, I did say this in the previous 2 videos, but if you guys want me to go through and do maybe a quick analysis on a company, what you want to do is comment on this video and say something along the lines of Simply Safe dividends for Home Depot. Whoever gets the stock upvoted the most, whichever one that ends up being in the next week video, we will go through and maybe do an analysis on the stock together, and then I will say whether or not if I would invest in that company. So I can't tell you whether or not you should, but I can tell you whether or not I would. So there you go. That's it for this video. For anybody that's new and likes the content, please hit a like and sub if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, if anybody has any questions or wants to see something, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.